Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a pair of dog stairs. So let's open this up, take a look, see what we get inside. Okay. I think we'll have to. Okay. That was a tougher than expected box to open. But like most things from VEVOR, they pack stuff really well. So that's a good thing. So let's get this out of the bubble wrap. And set of directions. Of course, I had it the wrong way, so let's get this continue to get out of its box. All right, so here are the steps, and it looks like it's got an interesting design to it already. So let me just get this back part basically open, and then down, and then I guess each little stair has its own little flap to it. So actually pretty neat how this works. So let's bring this inside the house, and I'm gonna try one of two things. I'm gonna put it next to one of my beds and probably next to one of the couches. However, I don't think they're going to go up the steps next to a couch, but the bed, probably a better opportunity. My dogs are bigger, they're a little bit older. They definitely need something like this to help them kind of situate and get themselves up on the bed so they can relax with us when we're watching TV or whatever we got going on. So anyway, stay tuned. And here's Esma. She's our cat. She's getting a little older. So we figured we'd let her try out the pet stairs. What do you think, Ez? Like your stairs? All right. And again, the cool thing is that this converts into a ramp, super quick and easy. So anyway, Brian and Esma from Garage Mahal, and be safe out there.